It would just be interesting to see if she came through.
Oh, yeah.
But she's quiet, so she needs to talk up. Do you not like all of these people here?
Whoa. Said I do, I think. Like, yeah, I do. You're getting better at speaking through this thing. Keep trying.
We just want to talk. Can you come talk to us, please?
All I want to do is help. You can spend hours listening to these things.
Oh, I bet.
Although they cause headaches after a while.
I bet.
Now I'm going to take a break from this, so you better speak up. You got something to say. This might be your chance. Oh, my chest hurts. Ah. Don't get so Hello. That's a snotty little bastard.
Did you hurt her?
Hear a little, it's getting louder with the voices. You notice how it's speaking more? Like it's trying, but that hurt my chest like really bad.
Oh, wow.
That was, wow. I'm not here to be hurt. I'm here to gather evidence and help this family. So you need to respect my boundaries. Please.
Take a break from YouTube.
Well, if I keel over and suffocate, maybe I
We
will.
don't want that.
I'm recently CPR certified. As of like 3 days ago.
Hello. I'm change the switch back to reverse on this side. Reverse on this side. There. You said no?
I heard something.
I heard it tonight. Or something. But
You got something to say. You might want to say it. You're reaching your 5-minute mark, so you might want to hurry up. Do you need help? Oh, I think I just got a pull it over too. Pull into the spirit box. Well, what did you got to say?
What's your name?
I don't know what mine tattoos are.
What's my name? Why are you here?
Alright, so nothing fly by. Come back by. Fly in front of the camera.
Oops, the picture can get right here.
Huh.
Can you come talk in this box?
We know you're here.
It's moving around a lot.
Yeah, it is.
What did you just say? I heard the mail something.
Yeah. The chest pain went away.
I'm glad.
Yeah, that hurt. Like that. Yeah, screw you too. That really, like, it was stabbing. Like I just got like punched hard right in the sternum.
There was one night I was working in the studio and it felt like somebody put their hand on my right shoulder and stabbed into my gut and my back, and that pain lasted a long time.
That oppressive, creepy guy he has an aggressive tendency because he's hit my leg, he's hit my hip, and now he's hit my chest. Would say that one's gotta go.
badly behaved.
Yeah, you.
Me. Oh, really?
Okay. It's just floating around.
Yeah.
You gotta just pour out of it. I got a temperature on over here.
You're welcome to come talk to us, and the best way to do so is through the box. Is there anything you want to say to me? Or to anybody here?
What do you need from us? Are you going to leave? Who are you here for?
Oh my god. Did you guys hear that? Or did I just hear that myself?
I heard a voice, but I couldn't make it out.
I thought they said Amy after you asked that. But I could be wrong. But I thought it said Amy.
Speak up a little bit.
What's that?
A snippet of a rap song, but I didn't understand what it said. You have to speak clearer and through the channels. Do you understand how to do that?
Oh,
Wow. Was it say right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. So you do understand. Well, now that you know how to use it, what's your message? What do you need from us?
How can I help you? How can we help you?
Are you stuck here? Because of something you did when you were alive? Tell me how you died.
I'm gonna head out and kind of meander, but I'm sure I'll be back.
Okay.
Guys, anything, just let me or Miranda know.
Cool. Thanks. Not right now. I'll call your name if I start getting good hits. So you're getting a couple temperature alarms.
Okay. I'm going to take a break from you now, so you have to leave and not follow me around and stop being so mean to me.
nice.
Ooh, that thing's annoying.
That doesn't bother me.